Uh, Good morning, students. We are from ChemG Academy. Actually, we are offering coaching for JEE Mains and NEET 2026. This is exclusively we teach chemistry here. So, before going to start the session, actually, this NEET in NEET 2025 from the first unit atomic structure, you got three questions. I don't know why the students they are not able to unable to this attempt these questions. Parents, you also just uh, you have to be guide your children first to read NCERT books. I always insist to read NCERT books. मैं हर बार बोल रहा हूँ कि पहले NCERT books पढ़ो, बाद में you can read any other material. क्योंकि but especially NEET, they are asking question from the NCERT books. And the out of 45 questions, 40 questions directly from the NCERT books only. And those remaining 5 questions are also from the just additional inputs. But most of the students, what they are doing is they are leaving this, they are not reading NCERT books and they are reading some other material and some other institute material like that. They are wasting their time. So if you follow our channel, you will get 180 out of 180. Otherwise, 160 will guarantee you to get in chemistry. 40 क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली दे विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी. बच्चे आप ये नीट में जो आ रहे क्वेश्चंस वो पूरा एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक से आ रहा है. वेदर विल चेक वेदर दे आर कमिंग और नॉट. हम अभी ये प्रूफ करेंगे कि वो क्वेश्चन आ रहे कि नहीं. So if you see the first unit, that is in the syllabus, so that is second topic is atomic structure. So if you see the atomic structure, so this is the paper, NEET 2025 paper. Okay, so this is a NEET 2025 paper. Now we will see the first question. If you see this one from this atomic structure, they have asked three questions. One is on this Dalton's atomic theory. So if you see that one, that is a very easy question. That means if you are answering one question means how many marks you are getting? 4 marks. आप एक question attempt कर you are getting correct answer means आप 4 marks आप ले रहे. So just you see this question. It is directly asked from this textbook. See this question. Dalton's atomic theory could not explain which of the following: law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, law of multiple proportions, law of gaseous value. See this question. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये एक क्वेश्चन नीट 2025 में पूछा गया है. Now we'll see this one from where they have taken this. So this is the structure of atom, otherwise atomic structure. This is a NCERT textbook. This is a first year का part 1 है. इसमें this second unit है. This is a atomic structure. Now if you see the first in the second para only, if you see just you go through this one. Here it is clearly mentioned. Dalton atomic theory is able to explain law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportions, law of multiple proportions. So here, so this is a direct bit they have asked from the structure of atom. That is the first question. Okay. Now, second question क्या है? The hydrogen atom or hydrogen-like atoms. They asked actually these two are the important formulae. You are going to study in atomic structure. So this is with respect to that frequency calculation of frequency of in the absorption or emission spectrum of hydrogen and hydrogen-like atoms. So if you see there, this is the frequency delta E by H, which is equal to Rydberg constant by Planck's constant multiplied by 1 by Ni square minus Nf square. So if it is it can be applied to absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. Now they asked one question on this, but not they asked directly, they asked calculation of energy or frequency, but they asked the calculation of ratios of lambda wavelength, ratios of wavelength lambda. So ये प्रश्न पूछा गया है कि कैलकुलेट द वेवलेंथ, आप वेवलेंथ को फाइंड आउट करो. So find out the ratio of wavelength in the from lower to higher, that is absorption spectrum. You see here 46th question, the first question in the 45 series is this one from atomic structure. Just you go through this one. If you see here, what they asked is the ratio of wavelengths of the light absorbed by a hydrogen atom when it undergoes. So here they are asking the ratio of wavelength, that means two wavelengths they are asking. One is from n equals to 2 to n equals to 3, that is ni equals to 2 to nf equals to, that is 3. And second one, this is a lambda one. Now second one is lambda 2 ni, that is initial value is 4 to nf, that equals to 6. So this is the second question. Now आपको ये डाउट आएगा कि ये कहाँ से आया. ये भी पूरा एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक में है, इसीलिए मैं बार बार आपसे पेरेंट्स को भी ये बार बार क्यों बोल रहा हूँ कि पहले आप ये एनसीईआरटी बुक्स कंप्लीट करो, बाद में जो एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल है वो पढ़ सकते हो. We Chemistry Academy particularly focusing on the NCERT textbooks for JEE mains and this NEET, and the additional inputs definitely will give after completion of this NCERT textbook topics. Now here also it is there. This is also directly from second unit. Now if you see this one, they have given directly the formula in the hydrogen atom spectrum. You see. See, in one page, all the three formulae are there for the second question and also for the third question. Just you see here. This is a page number 48 in the part 1 of atomic structure NCERT text. Now, if you see here, so first you will see this spectrum and followed by the calculation of energy and radius. Now, if you see here they have mentioned the same formula which I wrote here in the box, what I mentioned here, the same root here. Now, if you see this one, so what they are asking, this is a formula of frequency associated with the emission or absorption spectrum, and we can find out the energy also. Here RH, that is Rydberg constant, and Planck's constant, they are constant. Here they are asking ratios. Now you know nu equal to c by lambda. Now here it becomes 1 by lambda. Since it is frequency equal to c by lambda, but here only they are asking lambda wavelength. So 1 by lambda 1 equals to, now here since these two are constant, if we take also will get cancelled, otherwise we can skip that. So now it becomes 1 by n1, that is 2 square minus 1 by nf, that is final value is 3 square. Now divided by 1 by lambda 2. Why? Because here it is nu equal to c by lambda. Now here it is 1 by initial value is 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 6 square, that is final value 6. Now if you see here, if you take this one like this, it will become lambda 2 by lambda 1. Now here 1 by 4 it becomes, now it is 1 by 9. Now here it becomes 1 by 16 minus 1 by 36. Now if you take the LCM and you do the simplification, now it becomes, you see here, it becomes 36. 9 so 4 nines that is 9 minus 4. So it is 9 minus 4. Now here, so here it is LCM is you will get If you take the LCM of this one, you may get 144. Now 69's again 36 4. So 9 minus 4, 5 get cancelled. So it becomes 144 divided by 36. But here they are asking the ratio of lambda 1 to lambda 2. So it becomes 36 divided by 144, which is equal to 1 by 4. So the ratio is 1 by 4. The ratio of the wavelengths is 1 by 4. And this formula is directly there in your NCR textbook. पेरेंट्स थोड़ा आप भी इधर ध्यान दीजिए। ये पूरा जो एनसीईआरटी नीट में तो नीट एंड जेई मेंस में जो क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है पूरा वो बेस्ड ऑन द एनसीईआरटी कॉन्सेप्ट्स ओनली। पहले आप एक पढ़ो, बाद में आपका मर्जी से आपका कोई इंस्टीट्यूट का नहीं तो कोई वीडियोस आप देख सकते हैं। हियर वी आर from ChemG Academy exclusively, this year we are particularly focusing on the JEE Mains NEET exam based on the NCERT concepts, and after finishing these only we will give some additional inputs. So this is the second question, and third question is also from atomic structure. Now here the question is there and answers are given. It is a lengthy question, you will feel lengthy question, but here it is very easy. See this question. So here what they asked is, इधर प्रश्न पूछा गया है कि energy and radius of first Bohr orbit of He plus, that is helium, and Li plus 2 ions are. So already they have given the Rydberg constant values, and here they have given the values directly, Rydberg constant values and N0. So here the formula, it is also directly given. Here they are asking of Li plus and He plus and Li plus 2 ions. Now you see here energy associated with the hydrogen-like atoms. This is also the same page. In the box I have mentioned calculation, how to calculate what is the formula of calculation of energy of the hydrogen and hydrogen-like atoms. So that is En equals to minus 2.18 into 10 to the power of minus 18 into Z square by N square joules. Z square by N square joules. So here what is Z? Z is atomic number, N is principal quantum number. Now the other formula also given for calculation of radius. The formula is 52.9 into N square by Z. Here also N is a principal quantum number, Z is atomic number, that is in picometers. Now here they have asked this one for He plus atom and Li plus 2 atom. So as you know, for helium, for hydrogen atomic number Z equals to 1, for helium Z equals to 2, and for lithium Z equals to 3 atomic number. Now first we will find out the values for this helium plus helium. Now helium, here it is what are the values? Z equals to 2, and N, here it is 1s2. That second electron is in the this one, where in the first orbit. So here it is 1. Now for helium atom, En, which is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 to the power of minus 18 Z square, that is 2 square, that means 2 square divided by 1 square, that is 1. So now it becomes 4. 2 square means it is 4. 4 into 2.1, 8.72 minus 8.72 into 10 to the power of minus 18 joules. Now like that, radius Rn. For helium atom, it is 52.9 into N square. N is 1. 1 square divided by Z, not Z square, only Z, that is 2. So here you make it 26.4 picometers. Simply, you'll get that. If you substitute, you are going to get directly. Parents, आप भी इधर थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. Don't stress your children to read or to follow any other material. First, they have to finish the NCERT textbooks. Either now exclusively we ChemG Academy, this year we are आज से हर दिन एक वीडियो आएगा. Just you subscribe our channel and we are going to give you for to improve your score in JEE mains and NEET. How easily you will get how easily you will get that 180 out of 180, otherwise more than 160, and in JEE mains also more than 90 marks. So here we have calculated helium plus ion. Now for lithium plus 2 ion, now here En, for here lithium Z equals atomic number is 3, N equals to, again here it is plus 2. Suppose if it is plus 1, what happens? Here if it is lead lithium, it is N equals to 2 will be there, but here it is plus 2, that only one electron that will be in first orbit. So here it becomes N equals to 1. Now here En equals to, again same, minus 2.18 into 10 to the power of minus 18 into Z square by N square. Z is 3 square by N square is 1 square. So here minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 into 9. So here you may get 9. So here you may get minus 19.62 like that into 10 to the power of minus 18 joules. Now for radius Rn, direct formula, it is there. It is there in the NCERT textbook. Minus 52.9 into N square by Z. So 52.9 into N, that is 1 square, by only Z, that is 3. So here you may get 17.6 picometers. So here if you see this one, so first they have given the lithium minus 19.62, 10 to the power of minus 18 joules, and Rn is 17.6 picometers. So next En of helium is minus 8.72, 10 to the power minus 18 joules, and Rn is 26.4 picometers. So the first option in the 45 series is correct. So like this, from atomic structure 3 questions were asked. All the 3 questions जो पूछा गया है from, and they are from NCERT books. So 3 questions if you are able to attempt means 3 for the 12 marks. Like that we will solve every chapter bits of 2025, and exclusively we are helpful. We are going to help you to crack NEET and JEE mains and also JEE advanced. This year we are fully focusing on the topics and also this achieving your dreams. Okay, so आज से हर दिन एक वीडियो आएगा. Just you subscribe our channel, and I am again insisting you to read NCERT books only. बेटा आप कहीं पे हो, आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट को या नॉर्थ ईस्ट से या नॉर्थ इंडिया से या साउथ से, आप पहले NCERT textbooks पढ़ो. Even in last year also I told the students like the same thing. Even we can solve the thermodynamics questions also. We'll solve all the out of 45 questions पूछा गया, उसमें 40 NCERT textbooks है. Don't fall in the trap of online videos or other material. It is there in the NCERT textbook. First you read the NCERT textbook, then if you have the time, read additional material. With the concepts you learn from the NCERT textbooks, you will be able to solve the remaining questions also. Okay, all the best. We from the ChemG Academy. Here in ChemG Academy, we are going to give you all the chemistry material required for JEE mains, JEE advanced, NEET. So this year we are going to finish the syllabus by December, and we'll do the revision from January 1st onwards for JEE main session. All the best, beta.